Do you know who you're getting a car loan from? And what they're all about? For millions of people, the answer is Ally Auto Finance. But what exactly is Ally, and what should you know before you sign on the dotted line? Ally Financial is a massive American bank holding company with a rich history. They started out in 1919 as the General Motors Acceptance Corporation, or GMAC, created to provide financing to GM customers. They changed their name to Ally in 2010, and today, they're one of the biggest auto finance companies in the United States. So, what do they actually do for you? Ally offers a range of auto financing options, including loans for new and used cars, lease buyouts, and even refinancing existing loans. A key thing to know is that for new and used car loans, you can't go directly to Ally online. Instead, you'll work through a partner dealership that offers Ally financing. But for things like refinancing an existing loan, you can often pre-qualify right on their website. This is a great feature because it lets you see what rates you might get with a soft credit pull, which doesn't impact your credit score. Now, a quick look at the customer experience. Like any large company, opinions are mixed. On the one hand, many customers appreciate their online-only services and user-friendly mobile app for managing payments. On the other hand, some reviews mention frustration with customer service and report issues with things like getting titles after paying off their loans or dealing with administrative errors. Ultimately, Ally Auto Finance is a major player in the car financing world with a long history. They offer a wide variety of services, but it's important to understand the details of their specific offerings, especially whether you're working through a dealership or directly with them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.